way to get my COVID-19 test before we go to Jamaica, and it should be negative. Better be. Is that it? Oh, it's small.
That must be it.
Going up to the COVID facility. Oh, there's no line at... How is the line?
I don't know how they're doing this.
Maybe we have to get out, you think?
Nah, you're supposed to stay in your car.
Maybe it's behind the person in the silver car, where the person is squatting down talking to them.
Yeah, but they should have a better way of directing you.
Well, she's bringing a sign, maybe. I think maybe she's gonna come and talk to us. Oh, let's put your mask on.
Alright, so we're having technical...
Those are the only ones that are open
Right now, yeah. Or you can come back tomorrow morning, register online, come in the morning, set your appointment time, and we'll be here.
Okay, you gonna just do it in the morning? What time you open in the morning?
We can open at 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
Give them the paper. They going to South Holland?
Great.
You want to just go to South Holland and get it over with? We're in the car. South Holland's not that far. Well, that was a bust. So we're going to try a different facility, and hopefully
Good old state.
we'll be able to do it.
What technical difficulties? What the hell y'all mean?
Okay, we are trying again to take the COVID test. Went back to the first location, and we already have a line, but we're going to go for it. It's not nearly as bad as the other place, so
We already scanned that information in.
I ain't mad at it, you know, because, so this is the line. It's not nearly as bad. We're just going to go for it. All right. I wonder why the police and, well, not the fire trucks and ambulances are there. What was that about? In case someone gets sick? I can't even imagine. We are getting ready for to leave on tomorrow to visit Jamaica. We had to get our COVID test after having been turned away at one location, and then went to another location where it was too crowded, and another location that was non-existent. We did finally get our test the next day, which was 9 days out as opposed to 10 days out, and had to wait until we could get those results in enough time to upload that information to the Visit Jamaica website in order to get our travel authorization. All turned out to be well. There was really nothing to upload. They added some more questions with respect to your COVID test. Wanted to let you know that you needed to show at the airport that you did indeed get a COVID test and that it was indeed a negative result, which we have. And we got our travel authorization straight away, so we'll be able to go to the airport on tomorrow morning, very early, and show that information to the agents at the airport and get on the plane. But this is all of the stuff that we are sending. I hope that shows out. It's a wreck here, but some of this stuff is stuff that we'll be sending in the near future, and some of the stuff is what will be coming with us, even that over there. You probably didn't see that, but that's what's what. So we're all almost ready to go. So I will be in touch, let you know our next step. See you soon. This is actually what we're sending. I should have done it this way. One suitcase there. What's the laptop? These things will be coming in the near future. Just a bunch of books. And I hope you can see this thing here will be coming with us this trip. Okay.
develop symptoms during the quarantine period will be tested and/or retested as is necessary. You are also required to download the JAM COVID-19 app so that monitoring by the health department
affected by the pandemic, and
We
of
are
course he will
finally
handpick the way they said now gonna be like
left
some
the
big old
airport,
pool and
got
then
in the
people will
rental
fit
car
him
after
instead of
two and a
going
half
to
hours of being in the
so
airport.
yeah, and he's saying yeah, he said
Woo!
my
That
grandfather
was,
wanted me to
I
take
don't
it
know,
all the way to
was it
college,
better or
and
worse
he
than the
says I feel
before?
there is a power in education.
It was worse the
So
first
to be able
time.
to
Yeah,
give someone
maybe
the
it was
opportunity
worse.
to fulfill
But
that
that
dream
is not,
Well,
doesn't mean that was
and
painless.
Well, I had to do a COVID test the first time.
Yeah,
so-
that's true. You had to do a COVID test.
to bring an online certification program
Because he lost his little slip of paper that they give you.
And of
Oh
course,
well.
also now
Whatever.
agricultural
It was,
program
is that what it was?
for
Temperature?
students and other
Well, at any
issues.
rate, we
Okay,
made it,
Travis.
and
Yeah, we
we're
respect
now on the
that.
road,
It's
and
so
it is
kids, 'cause
raining,
you know
but
what's
that's
going on in
okay. We
America,
made
so
it.
anything you can do now to help, you know, the young
So,
black kids that are coming up right now,
you all
especially
is
where COVID is
warm.
concerned, because I'm saying,
Get
yes,
settled.
education.
I always thought that all of Jamaica was pretty lush, but I guess by comparison, this is Montego Bay is not as lush. Can be kind of dry looking almost. That was funny though. It's raining. Ultimate jerk. We're at the Ultimate Jerk Center on the main road in St. Anne.
Discovery Day, I think.
This is Discovery Day or St. Anne?
That was Discovery Day. We're between St. Anne and Discovery Bay, I think. We're almost in St. Anne's Bay.
Oh, okay. But that's where we are. Ultimate Jerk. And boys are coming down. The next morning after our ordeal getting here to Jamaica, I don't believe it has stopped raining from the time we landed until the very next morning, off and on. So a whole lot of sunshine. It's just liquid. But we're here. We are here. Finally. Getting ready to hit the road, Jack. Oh, let me go and open the gate. Going to the Jerk Center. I think they're all called that. You want to try that first place or no? What's that noise? You hear it though, right?
Yeah. Big window, wind blowing.
I think this car's up. Well, it's okay. This is our second day in Jamaica. Oh, wait a minute. In their house. This is our second day in Jamaica at Mommy's spot. This is the first day. It is not raining non-stop, though it rained all night and a lot of the morning. And don't know that you could see that in the distance. I think we are promised more rain. Yeah, look at those clouds. I think it's going to rain again.
sun's out now, but this is Portland. Some coconut trees. It's a little garden there. Not much growing yet. It's a breadfruit tree. It has the little breadfruit on there, but they're not ready yet, obviously. Breadfruit season is over. And this is Mommy's house. The wind's picking up on that fast. I think it is about to storm. Die down a little bit, but it's gonna rain again.
Hello, family. This is Precious, the new Jamaican. This is just a quick hello and shout out to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. We came here a few days ago during the pandemic, as I told you that we would be traveling. And I just wanted to let you see me just relax on a beautiful day that we finally have sunshine that isn't liquid. And it's been raining constantly. The island has been hit by a lot of the tropical depressions that have hit. The last one was Eta, I believe, and rain nonstop. It was raining when we landed. It was raining on our drive from the airport to Portland, which is where I am right now, and it rained pretty much every day, all day, off and on, since we've been here, with the exception of last night, overnight, and today. So we have one beautiful day so far after having been here for about 3 days. So I just wanted to say hello. Getting here was a bit of a challenge. Not as bad as last time. We were in the airport for about 2.5 hours or so, trying to get through with all of the COVID-19 restrictions and testing and prelims to make sure it's okay for you to enter the island. But all being said, it really wasn't as bad as before, and we were anticipating to have some kind of delays, but all in all, it was okay. We got a car, because we are traveling, we were visiting just a private home. We're supposed to be on lockdown, and we are not allowed to take public transportation. Well, we weren't going to take public transportation anyway, so we rented a car, and then the battery died while we were in Portland, Port Antonio, I should say. Very interesting. So we call Enterprise. They brought out a mechanic to change the battery, and then as it turns out, the battery was slightly different from what they told him, and so we couldn't get it to stay put into the car, so we had to rig it a certain way in order for him to get the battery to stay in. And we will head out to a shop tomorrow so that he would have the proper tools to get the battery fixed in the car, so that it will not bounce around while we're driving. Anywho's, we've had a bit of an eventful time here already, but the point here was just to come see Mom, see how she was doing, check on her, and to conduct some other business which we'll be taking care of on tomorrow. And then we should be able to relax the remainder of the visit. We won't be able to go to any beaches or anything like that because everything is shut down. We're just not supposed to. I think they're all closed, but that's fine. I mean, as you can see from my surroundings, it is beautiful here just to sit in the yard. So I'm looking forward to a permanent time here. So just wanted to give you a shout out, and stay blessed by people, and remember, as I always say, stay conscious and stay connected. Peace.